What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hold on to your phones. And if you want to hold on to your phones, this is one way to do it. This is a little clamp that you can put on top of a tripod. It's got a little screw here so that you can affix it to any of the kind of standard 1/4-inch screws that are on the top of most tripods, camera stands, those types of things, even selfie sticks. I wanted to just pick this up. As you can see here, it's by Vastar, and it seemed to be a little bit more robust than maybe some of the other ones. You have some macro adjustments, and then it'll do kind of that fine adjustment. So you can see here, it's all a fairly large, rigid plastic, which is kind of nice, I think. Seems actually more robust than kind of some of those, just those wire ones. We have some really big rubber pads under here with a pretty generous lip. There's even some, grooves here to kind of make sure that you get a nice grip. Flat back on the plastic, but we've kind of got it rolled over here with the plastic that holds in the rubber with a little rolled edge, so you won't have to worry about things kind of falling out, even if this thing is on a selfie stick and kind of being rocked around. Then we have a plastic tab up here. What this does is this will unscrew the clamp here. And now I am trying to see, this is the only adjustment that it will make. So what you'll end up having to do here, say you would take this iPhone X10, you would unscrew it here, and then you would start screwing it back down, and that sucker will not come out. So the nice thing about this is that it's going to be a more permanent, maybe a more secure mount than you would get on some of the other ones that are just spring loaded. And so if you're going to be out and about, and you really can't drop your phone, this is probably the attachment that you want, right? You're going on a boat, you're going climbing, you're going to be at height, you're going to be, in a place where you're getting rocked around a lot, maybe a roller coaster or something like that. I think this is the one you're going to want because you can really tighten this down. You don't have to worry about it moving, and then simply releasing it like this is pretty easy. In terms of how wide it will go, let's just keep going here. I've got my iPhone 6 Plus. This is about the biggest that iPhones come in, and you can see plenty of space there, and I even have a pretty thick case on it. So no problem on that sucker too. So if you have an oversized phone, a big phablet, you don't have to worry about that. You can pick up this clamp for that too. So check it out. I'll put a link to the description. Peter von Panda out.